Please go and invite Tom Richie. About this, I want to send him a serious message, very serious message. I just want to send him a message. It's not a saga. You understand? But if he's a wise man, he will take this message very serious. It's only a foolish man that ignore about this man message. And at last, that message will come by fire. Many of people will ignore. They know what they pass through today. The same thing will happen to Isi Oluku or Daphne Widow, Ajekpako. You know, my brother Tom Richie, this is a message to you, short message to you. Yes. Why can't we before you start to the call? Me I talk. Now call. I'll give you a chance to talk. This going on. Who so never want this going on? I go sit and say this going on. But me I first send my message first. Very important. Understand? Hello.
I'm my last speaker.
Okay. Come go. Oh. Okay. Well. Oh, mention them. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, no voilà. Thank you. Thank you. Now, let's go there. First of all, Tom Richie. I don't what you take boy and make one ga. I don't prisoner. Even like the way France. When they don't Richie, we always want to be making very soon. If you don't know that you don't know, let me just try advise you now as a brother. A be making ya. So one is away are be making. You understand? Ik me bok by ma wesi. Understand me now? Ik me bok by ma wesi. It's a warning. Obi understand me now? I know have Bobby Sene ebo agiti you know. Adam, you have an encounter with a woman. Yes, normal, you must date girl, normal level. When you love the sweet, the girl, they give you things, they give you things, they give you things, they give you things. A girl where girl go spend rich, my brother. You're supposed to know, say, this girl, don't they pass, be careful. If you know say that girl not do okay, in character not good, you don't love that girl, and you cannot marry that girl. All those things which they give you, my guy, you're not supposed to collect her. You go and say when you cool. You understand? I'm a dead gaza, I didn't gaza. When we na yen ya we ohori ohuru hiati bi ohuru hiati ya ni o one of born ro eke uri tono wa enem e mo to no de no ro eke uri tono aga yi ko no ro o ti ji ko no ayigo ya gogo ayigo ya gbegbe love. You understand? Again we ayi na me go we Tom Richie we na go no we mi go ga hu oyi na me go ono mo abida ho ra ono ye bog mo ho ya mio efe ya no go at the end no those wife wa oye na me ba ho go dey clear na ogina so da we fini efe ya we obo we ya ega ye bi ye ni oko ma de ye wa omoma me wo de mi no go na ye fini ya de bobo let us be wise. You understand? The time your labor for all those things, you calculate your labor plus and minus or in a simple way munda we atori okba or masa afian go ye mila afian gidigbino ebo na tiru wona go ma go don't think when we here ever boy ya bobo kwa de do ni akpegun ni abo no la lo he ni akpegun ni here healthy balance. Sometimes the repercussion might be reversible. The man agbu we no we ati agbe mo se ko we advice you know my brother hunda ekwebo gegyo gbe trader o ada ho obi ora sale be na ina me le ba ho se ni anwe and the more figure with the house you where you matter whether they 500,000 ya bribe not question the matter. My brother, you want to go understand Facebook now, especially my now, it's not a change place. You understand? As far as I'm the king and I'm here, I've said it, it's not what a change place. Later the more final you go man the whole last you mag be and the more my hair saga. Understand? Adam, my brother, no Adam, when he call it presenters, no go bribe presenters. Wakakabwa brave presenters go. Yes, also another type presenters here brab go me go at the end what do tell you na go gbeyan you gbe. You understand? When wa brab presenter wa kakabo o go go one wa avio ere ma ga bien wa e. But ekene wa ta ye no ro ni a ye ta. E wa ta no wa on ma ga ta ni wa gbegwe ni. I ma ye ta. You know one side. Where they know who? No yet property all the West no guy over there get here. All year boy load with my sister. Name one of our work for many years. 2012. Since 2012. Since 2012, good 10 years. I booking with my boy. A bundle clear. Booking ya. Was here no? A bundle clear away. Wage na kana na etwero wa yuero wa. Amade okay. The sister no the UK. Amade okay. When ibu ya ata go to what the bu feel better for Nigeria, wake aje obo I believe. You understand me now? Which is very bad. This is a warning, it's a very good lesson to many of our women. You understand? Oh, so na me go single mother bobe here. They too be biok ma you we but no we single mother go here, here bun gbeni. Many of our single mothers, they are all in the same category. The highest thing now. They are still spending on it. Everything what's not even Nigeria or Nigeria. You post that one now. What's here with 200 euro? You got to buy the Nigeria. I'll be like here. Marriage is for better for us. It's a man shall leave the father and the mother and cleave with the wife. They will people will cleave with your children. Your husband will be Nigeria. This gone small girls. Yes, small girl, the party. Yeah, are you penny? Oh, do of the enemy of the Holland. Oh, of UK. Oh, of America. Oh, of Spain. The of Italy. Isaga Babozio Buku. Ewe boni mavu wagije nani maya no je. We know how it they play. We know how it they play. Who they reach for abroad now? We all know. Men when they do fabrica work, they get 1,800 euros a month. After tax and everything, last you balance 1.8 or 1.5. You never pay your house rent. Maybe you can't pay house rent. Maybe they pay like 600 euro for a month. You school 600 euro come up for inside. Like big gas be everything go end up like 800 euro. You get 1K free of charge as if you run as your money. Then you want to do space that we will take you for like 1 month. When they listen, when they listen, I want to do some calculation for now. You want to do space that we will list for like 1 month. Go do space like 300 euros. You left like 700. Bros, one of the year, you go buy Bilamento tickets when you go work for full month. Maybe your ticket at the shop like 120 euro. You left like 580. Now you hear me? If you person with a bag when they smoke cigar, you will buy cigar for inside, buy packet of cigar. Maybe like you get like 5 packets of cigar will still last you almost like 20 euros cigar don't come up for inside. You level like 560. When they feel me, you can't send money go Africa, so you want to build house. Maybe for that 560, so you don't bust like 400 go Nigeria. That kind of person, how many years you want to save money as things cost rich for Nigeria? Or you want to build hotel? How you go to work for that fabrica work? We go to save money, save. We want to build hotel. We know God that is where they press journal. And the thing is, and you forget say for this job this, so if they work for fabrica work, they work for company, you they get 3 weeks off in a year. And 3 weeks, some people they get 3 weeks, 4 weeks, where they'll give weeks up until they go Nigeria. So for good 12 months, you they go Nigeria once. But these guys, they fly Nigeria like say tomorrow, no day. Every week they go Nigeria. They don't they work for abroad, but they build hotel. They don't they work for abroad, then they build hotel. If you they work for abroad, company where you for the work, when you go start work, some people will come out 4 o'clock in the morning, they don't come out, they go work. They'll go knock 8 hours. Some go knock 12 hours. They'll come back to house again. So if you come back anyway, work for abroad, be like Lebuki. You be like that's where they go Lebuki work. The way your body go take hook you down. Some go sleep, they go snow like pig. So long go they throw waste again. Then you see some of them, their wife go to cheat on them. Because they know if they knock again. Because the work don't knock their waist. That kind of person you call the build house, build a hotel for Nigeria. Once you want to go get 5 stars hotel. My people, wanna check all the boys where they build a hotel for Nigeria, when they abroad, where they say they be Jando, where they build a hotel for Nigeria. Wanna check them. They only work for abroad. They don't get working documents now. This one a working contract where they sign. Or they get lifetime contract where they sign for abroad. They don't get. The higher they do, they put their document for autonomous. Where they pay tax put. What do they do? Carry bazabaza and go house. Carry bazabaza and come back. Carry people close. Nyama aloko. Go house. How much they say aloko? They carry 30 euro for a kilo. 10 euro for a kilo. Carry go. Carry come. Carry go. Carry. Who they buy the ticket? Now don't ask questions. Ticket to go now. So you go here see they start 800 euro for tickets. The load we want carry how much we load? How much we load? All these men sick on this women's head. Now dead over the feet. They go John. Go do jazz. They talk to this woman. That's the end. Uheni ya mu ajewe boni ando ya hu go their family yan, fegbi yan, yan ya folk biakba. They go dey pump for me. Now me or Teteluete of Spain. Now me Baba Nyakan of Holland. Now me name they go yi Osamu Jade of Ajerico. Yan yo pe ni nekbi yan. Yan win na le webo. I want the abo, man the Bible. Who do get Tom Richie now? Ne Tom Richie kere Nigeria. Ban. You understand? Win na le webo. Yan ti yo ti rebe ho. Yan ti yo ti rebe ho. Bam. O wona pa kan so la jana. O so lo gba yan honu. Unu ko were oni. Ni aye gba oko ya me no ma so la jan. Ewe bona. Yan buru oni o. Yan because me settle matter outside live video and I will not because of one person to expose the rest of them. That's me for you. You understand? I settle things outside like they obey me, we settle it amicably, peace good day. The women will get joy. You understand? But the reason why I can't talk for this Don Richie home since last year, now I decided to hear your matter. About this chain true. Since last year, now I started to hear your matter. My brother, I'm a bok boma, monak boma, onakagbe. You understand? Justice for that woman, where you they try to oppress so, which is not done. You know, so that is not as it's totally unacceptable as far as social media is concerned. You understand? Even we're getting now, I ask you what we're your bros. Although my areas I will not have good mama again. Understand me now? Make it small kale matana no technology. When I hear avas when I mess one kale, me as one kale matana neba. Even we yage then gaji. Understand? It be ya avas Monica Mari kilo banner or live video. You understand? It be ya avas oh go not take by ajebo. You see your look that thing we do. It be ya avas Mari. Oh ngage it we do. And now we batai. Asawe. You get one ban asawe yo egbere. Oga asan sare wo. Mama, I'm making you this and you defame me so. I say now we have you now, my brother. You understand? You're my brother, you're my friend. So please, I beg you, you may marry do it about bros. You understand? Marry do it about because I ultimately no Korea you. You understand? But I want to know your time because we don't know. Say not do one avasi we. Laho. Even you need no vioi, no care. Splint it. No waga. You should to join foot to splint it. The son in because in your barrel not getting you boy. O ma bi enu I'm not going to work here lori ewu. You understand? It's just a girlfriend. So all the words not move you obo. Return him back to her. Let peace reign tomorrow. Why you are no mayagbe? How do you expect this girl to assist man? Eti we want to be a they mean we now. When I can now. You understand? So please, ni what iwa boom we no sunu gbera lao we no technology. You understand? Let me tell you why I joke. We no technology. Or say na my dad on ye go far. Because he asked to be very phone call you woman in woman go. E can marry adu ala live video. You understand? Or say not as if na Tom Richie do him away. Every other woman property no go away. Return it to that woman. O gbe awin na o bo wan queen na re mogede. You understand? And I blish le ran li ri a fon me brosse le si li vie le rou fi le go de le rou fon me brosse le do. We all know how they play for Europe, bros. If you reach Europe, you'll be Equamo. Equamo here, I understand. No level. Now, all those people who see their John, whenever come abroad, they look like say they be guy, man. You know, be nothing for you for bro. People, when they work here, will get 6 months, will get a duro, you get money pass you for abroad. You understand? When not frustrate women for Europe now, go Nigeria, go the form Odunga for Nigeria, go the settle courtist. Go the settle community people with the carry proper up and down. The phone son of the big guy man. On hang go already now. I read and go where I back here do the where you Bible. My brother, do the needful. But what the spend out here provoke is now. Because you are provoke, you will not like me. That's me for you. It matter where you are more like that's a full topic, you will not like it. You understand? I just the truth too. I'm not the joke. Because I hate men with it. We call it stealing by trick. You understand? It doesn't mean I lock up with them because I heard them see me at the matter one play. How do they say at the matter one play? This one be joking matter. You know, the joke. You see me say I carry interpreter. Don't be one. This one where they move a carry interpreter. They follow you. They do interpreter. I know they do interpreter with you. Understand? Do the right thing at the right time. Like matter no change it or change it. You will not like it on social media. Advice you know. Which kind of nonsense be that? I want you when we are. They go do your sister like that. Your sister not the friend boy. In the pack of money they go to give boy. That they use just for your sister. Of the attempt now. We know the story now. We know how to play, how to run and level for this abroad. But we on but this one when the matter social media here or access the banner, or do I see him when I'm to or do I see him when I one and mighty with order. As one I call it what about your number now, or do I told you as we live video. It will allow me to call you to order here, or better what I want, do mezedo, we want a boy where there can you 1 year. You're supposed to settle this issue. Not making it come to live video. Like live video. You understand? A woman who know or my boy. When I give where I deal, if I give woman a deal, I will give what the baby me call. Everyone will give you me or call the area. You understand? How they use brain because of that one. You're going to live video because we are frustrating and nowhere. How can we have move that now? All this also like motor no fail break. I my drink.